Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back. You are tuned to Say Global Production, ITV's Quick and Easy Cooking. And with me sharing the platform is Parma, the chef at my son's house, Muhammad Sayyid's house, distinguished people, alhamdulillah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all the good work. And also, this is the chef, as I said, was before the break, the green moong that you showed you is going to do, and he just made the dough for the atta dough. Yeah. Now he's going to get the dal. What you going to do, Parma?
Dal is ready now.
Yeah, after it boiled, no?
Yeah, it's
just
boiled.
Show the viewers into this camera, yeah.
Now is the dal is boiled.
Right.
Now we can make for tadka for him.
Yeah. You're going to make
fry.
the...
Yeah, we're going to make fry.
Okay.
And now...
Can't wait. And I must say that Parma makes his own dana, jeera and garam masala mixture. So that's why the taste...
So this one we're going to put for...
2 teaspoons ghee, tablespoon ghee, no?
2 tablespoon ghee.
Right.
Okay. Then we're going to put cumin seed.
Right. 1 spoon.
1 teaspoon.
Whole cumin seed.
Whole cumin seed.
Yeah. The stove is quite fast, Parma.
Yeah.
Let me get a spoon. I'll get it.
When little bit coming up,
yeah,
then we can do it for garlic.
Yeah. Oh, there's cut garlic.
Yeah,
not
chopped garlic, fresh garlic.
Yeah. So it's not crushed, it's cut.
Fresh garlic.
Yes.
We're gonna chop this one.
Yeah.
Not for the ready-made.
And I want you in a future program to see how Parma cuts so quickly. It's like amazingly fast that he cuts things here.
And this one?
Fresh ginger.
Yes, ginger.
So 2 also?
Yeah.
2, okay.
When
the aroma is beautiful.
Yeah. So now we're gonna put chopped onion.
How many?
2 spoons enough for this dal.
Yeah. You can use all. We like the extra onions.
Okay.
So about 3 tablespoons of red onion. The aroma is fabulous. Obviously, food is about aroma, taste, and appearance. The aroma is divine, Pervez. Yeah.
Yeah.
Turn it to the camera.
You see?
Yeah. Can you see the zoom right into it? Yes. So let's just show the viewers. Look at this, how lovely. Aroma is fabulous. Yeah. Yes. Put it back there. Maybe we should bring the stove a bit closer. Is that better?
Yeah. It's fine.
Tilt it slightly, yes. And now you're going to put... I want to know when you're going to put the green chilies, Parma.
Yeah. We're going to put... If I put now, they coming smoke and then...
Yes. Okay. So you need it to be nice and pink, eh?
Yeah.
How's the aroma? It's fantastic, eh? Yeah, ghee after all. Parma will show us in one of the future programs how you make his special ghee. You make special ghee, Parma?
Yeah, I can make also ghee also.
Yeah.
Almost is done now.
Yeah.
Then we can put tomato.
Okay. Which is about 1.
1 tomato, this one.
Can we grate it, Parma? You just have to cut it.
Grate it also, and you can grate and you can cut also.
And remember the green dal, Parma, it's a very good protein for the body.
You can add here.
Turmeric.
Yeah, turmeric. You can eat small chili as well.
Yeah.
And if you want garam masala, so you can put top up.
Yeah.
You can use for the cumin seed powder.
Right.
And dhana powder. Yeah.
It's not overspiced, which is lovely. The aroma is really stunning. Really stunning. Show the camera your mixture.
You see?
Yeah, there we go.
You see?
Yes.
Now is this one. So we can add chili as well.
The exciting part.
Yeah. I put with this one 3 chili.
Yes.
So you can put for 2 chili now. 2
teaspoons. Okay.
Yeah, 2 spoons.
Okay. Wonderful aroma is even better now with the green chilies. My favorite. And now Parma can eat 3-4 green chilies one time.
This one, I put little bit water.
Okay.
Because otherwise they sticking.
Okay.
Small water.
Yeah. And when you put the hing in now?
Yeah. Now I'll put the hing.
Yes. And the stove is
Yeah.
pretty fast as well.
Now, stove is very fast. So I put for 1 table teaspoon
1
there.
teaspoon. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, good.
Yeah. Okay.
Dada's going to enjoy the meal today.
This one done.
Right.
So we're gonna
Add it to the
put your
dal.
dal. Yeah.
People wanting to know because we put out a live teaser, so people are interested in it.
See,
Oh,
now your
wonderful.
dal is ready.
Yes.
If you can, you're
Yeah.
gonna put for chili also, whole
Okay,
chili
whole
as well.
chilies, yes.
If you want.
I would want
Yeah.
it.
So-
I will grab it in a moment, yeah. So you don't put red chilies, Parma?
Yeah,
Red whole chili.
red chili before I put, then
Yeah.
extra chili. So
Okay.
already there.
Red whole
I put
okay.
red chili.
Lovely. Can't wait to have this.
Yeah.
Taste testing it. Now you're going to show us, while that is somebody
So-
going to show us your roti.
So this one done.
Yeah.
So I want to make roti now.
Yes,
Just so we can keep it side.
yes.
Then we can make roti.
Okay, now as the things are getting warm, this is how he makes them into little balls. Yeah. And while the pan is getting hot, Parma, you tell us what you're doing.
Yeah. I take it for mini. I think it's 50 and 40 gram.
It's the size of the palm. Okay.
Yeah.
And you're not going to be, I see you don't put any ghee now.
No ghee, nothing.
Okay.
See.
This is always fascinating for me. What I like is the way it rises for me. Yeah. And I see the
So-
tawa is, okay, that's
See.
fine. Okay. And you were just telling me, Parma, just telling me the other day, Parma, that your mom, she just uses a hand
And only hand.
and it becomes completely round.
Whenever they using for
Can you
the
move
roller.
it? Yeah. Must I bring a tissue for the plate water? I'll just bring a piece of tissue. That is fascinating. Can you see how it's taking shape, Parvez? Really fascinating. Wow. I'm amazed at how this rises without baking powder. Really. Now the roti is on the grill. Oh, that's the secret, you see. When you press it, it rises. Wow.
If you use fire,
Yes.
also is better.
A fire is even better.
Yeah, fire is better.
Yeah. Maybe you should just increase it to 20. Because the faster the heat, the faster it rises.
Yeah.
Nothing like behind us is a gas stove.
Yeah.
That Parma just puts it on the gas stove, no plate, no nothing. He just puts it on the gas stove and it rises tremendously.
Yeah.
Maybe we should show the viewers.
We can
how
show
it-
also that side
Yeah.
as well.
Yes.
So I want to show you another roti is
Yes, on the gas stove.
gas stove.
Yeah. This is with the pan.
Yeah.
You see, at the end of the day, it's better on the open grill. That you can bear the heat of the gas. Fantastic.
But
Very-
don't risk for hand.
Yeah,
I'm
don't.
professional, so I can.
I nearly burned my
take out.
finger.
Otherwise, you're gonna bend your finger.
Yeah.
See.
But Mark
Nah.
cuts and he burn, does work on the stove. And when we try it, we get
Yes,
burnt
see.
and we get cut.
Now
there we go.
your bread is ready.
Wow.
Now. Yes. Now dal is done. Roti also is done. Now you can taste ma.
Congratulations,
Yes,
Parma.
So we're
let's
gonna put little bit.
yeah, the garnishing. Let's
Yeah.
put it in here and put more garnishing.
Yeah.
Then from here we'll dish out.
Okay.
And the aroma is fabulous, Parma. Really is. You want to use
So
the
you
spoon
can-
and I'll help you with this. Can you imagine eating
Yeah.
pure protein with pure roti? Really amazing.
Yeah.
You can put more garnishing, Parma, if you want.
Yeah. So we're gonna. Yeah.
And Parma knows we love
Dal is my favorite also.
I'm going to put here. Now, this is how I remember in India they serve, right,
Yeah.
Parma? If you
Yeah.
wanted green chilies.
Yeah.
And,
You're
Parvez,
gonna
do you want to do the honors? No. Parma, must I taste?
Yeah.
This
you're
is
gonna taste-
Dada's favorite,
Yeah.
actually. Not my, yeah, but I love it as well. But there's quite a big piece of roti, but anyway. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Parma, I must taste.
Yeah. You also can taste.
Parma, Parvez must also taste. Parvez, this is how they eat in.
My lunch now.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
How taste, ma?
Parma, you know you cook the best. So, mashallah, it's really, really tasty. For all of you want the recipe, it's going to be scrolled after this. This is our chef from originally from Dehradun.
Yeah, Dehradun.
Yeah.
Basically, Uttarakhand.
And from the Raj hotels, restaurants, now he's working. He's very happy where he is. Am I right, Parma?
Yeah, I'm very happy. Ma.
Your message to everybody who's watching, Parma?
अच्छा बेटा, मैं आज दाल एंड रोटी बनाई. उसके बाद हम यहाँ पे और चीज़ बनाएंगे. गुलाब जामुन बनाएंगे, आलू चाट बनाएंगे एंड सूप बनाऊंगा. सो आप देखते रहो एंड you can other people also you can enjoy for my cooking and enjoy for this food. See how's it like, ma.
Shame.
Thank you very much.
And when you thank your boss, Mohammed Sayyid, who giving us permission to do the cooking shoot out here in his house. He said we must do it when the kitchen's redone, but it's perfect as it is. But anyway, we hope you enjoyed this. It was a very healthy dish. We'd like you to try it. The recipe will scroll after this. Don't forget to take that down. If you have any comments, etc., you know where to send it to. Till we meet again, then from myself and TS Parma. We say yes.
Thank you very much. Goodbye. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Oh, Parma also says assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you for watching.
Thank you very much. Bye.